Every student on Fusion has their own locker. This is an area in the student's My Files area, which looks like a folder. And in here, teachers can place files for the student that only the student and their parent can see. This is used by some schools to give individual students learning materials that meet their individual needs, or to give students individual targets, or to publish reports. Students can add files to their own locker, but they cannot delete them. So some schools use lockers for students to submit their own work. I'm logged in now as a teacher, so how do I get to my students' lockers? To do that, go to the Quick Links menu and go to the user directory. I can either search for a student, I can narrow down by class, or I can narrow down by the first letter in their surname. So this is my class 3AR, and here's the student Thomas Telford. I click to go into his locker, and I can leave a file here. I can either drag and drop a file from my computer, or I can click Add to add a new file, to upload a file, or to create a folder. So I've added a file here for Thomas, and I'm just going to log in as Thomas to see what he sees. So Thomas is logged into Fusion, he goes to My Files, he goes to his locker, and there's the file that the teacher left for him. So that's how to add a file in a student's locker in Fusion.